Hi, my name is Brian Barr. I'm the president and co-founder of CAT, California Audio Technology. My brother and I started CAT in 1990 at the University of California, Davis while we were students. And we had professors and many other engineering students, and we had everybody from people that were in the legal field to people that were in the wine industry. It was great. I think we brought 15 different University of California, Davis students to the first CES that we attended in 1990, almost 32 and a half years ago now. And we learned back, if you use great materials, I don't care if you're using the world's best grape juice or using the world's best aluminum or the world's best stainless steel, world's best copper. If you use great materials, great minds, great people, great design, and you have the right machines and so forth to build things, you're going to have an incredible product, and you're going to create incredible experiences, especially if you live your life to the fullest, as we do all over the world. Traveled to, I think, most of the continents now. One of our super yachts that we worked on even went down to Antarctica. So we literally work with the clients and the designers and the architects and the builders and the world's top integrators and designers that like to understand music and environments. We've worked with everything from the top immersive cinemas in the world with Dolby and with Oro 3D. We've done presentation venues to the largest of scales, including, in this case, a very large 800-plus person church. We've gotten things DJ ready, band ready, where some of the most famous bands and DJs in the world come and land on the helicopter deck and they rock those things out. Everything from super yachts that have done things in Antarctica, all over the world, from the Mediterranean to China. This has been a really fun product. For Stars and Bars, almost 4 years ago at the Monaco Yacht Show, we built these, we call it, it's an aluminum bullet loudspeaker, where it's the top quality aluminiums, the top quality drivers that we custom build, so we can get rid of heat. So we can take 2 of these things and out-rock any 8 or 10 speakers that were ever on a boat. We took 6 of these things, we out-rocked Stars and Bars. We had DJs every hour at the yacht shows, at the Formula Ones, playing every hour on the hour till 2 in the morning, people dancing on tables. It's extraordinary. The top home theaters, the top recording studios, we've worked with well over 100 of the best A-list artists that you can imagine. That's one of my favorite parts of what we do, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and we get to hear things 10, 12-minute cuts that otherwise will only become 4-minute versions, where people can really get out and really get to feel what they're doing and watch those musicians jam and create. It's extraordinary, and it's really fortunate. We try to bring a lot of that recording studio quality and succeed at it into clients' lives, where they get to hear a lot of this. And the ability to play vinyl now and the exposure to media is better than it's ever been in the world. And then, of course, we do everything from large-scale private aircrafts to, in this case, the center channel. People think of a center channel, and that's fine, at a few $100, and it's a little bit better than the television. And in our case, we use the world's best materials to create the best drivers. These are better than the top recording studio quality, can be fully waterproof, can exceed Las Vegas level clubs, have almost no fatigue whatsoever. Whether you're playing to the lowest volume levels, you're rocking out to your best DJs, and all of this is sealed. And these top sealed enclosures can be from like 105 materials that we call it, which is like a polyester acrylic alloy, to top aluminiums, stainless steels, concretes, granites, and we can mill this and seal it so there's no holes, so there's no distortion, there's no ability for salt or air to get into these enclosures. They're totally sealed. They can be built down to the depth of the smallest televisions, completely custom, completely disappear. The grills can be custom, and literally hit rock concert volume levels out of the smallest spaces. Every enclosure can be custom built, from the subwoofers to just literally mirroring right on the sides or right underneath the televisions. So we can say yes on private aircrafts, from Boeings to Airbuses to Gulfstreams, where these very thin enclosures can mimic the face of the shape of the fuselage. Bring that sound back in, whether it's exotic cars or boats, aircraft, or disappearing into the walls, indoor or out there. We got you. It's a lot of fun. We love to bring those experiences, that music, that passion, bring those family and friends together and enjoy life. So we're CAT, www.calaudiotech, which is CALAUDIOTECH.com. Thank you.